and const. Let's dive right into it with let and const. These are two keywords you are going to see a lot in this code, especially const. Let and const are different ways of creating variables. You know variable. Variable creates a variable in JavaScript. Now the thing is some variable never really change. They are also called constant. Technically though, they are. They are all just variable because JavaScript only knows var. With ES6, a version of JavaScript, two different keywords were introduced, let and const. Var still works, but you are highly encouraged to use let and const. Let is so to say the new var, you use it for variable values. Let and const are all to changing something behind the scene about the scope of variables. But the most important takeaway here is use let if you want to create a variable that really is variable. Use const if you plan on creating a constant value, so something which you only assign once and never change. So now I'm showing you a quick example here on one online editor is called JSBin. It's like similar like a code pen where you guys can code and actually test your code. So for example, here you guys can see HTML, CSS, JavaScript, console log and output a result you can see here. First of all, I'm showing you one variable. With a variable should be name anything. For example, I'm just putting my name variable and I'm calling my name is John. John here. I'm console log now and the console log should name here and just run it here in the JSBin. So you can see here in the console log have a value of John. If after this, if I'm saying name is equal to Robin, what do you guys expected if I'm console log here again the same variable name of name? If I'm clear this and then run again, so they change the value John also and also name is equal to Robin also. If now with the ES6, for example, the let concept is here comes. So if let, I'm saying to use let name is equal to John and the same variable name is equal to Robin. What should be expected? It will be never change because let is mean you can change the value of variable. That's why let's, for example, suppose to let this and suppose let this equal to this. If we doesn't want to change the name variable which have a value of John, we don't want to change, so we can use const variable here, the variable of name which is const. It's mean constantly name which have value of John. It will be never change. Even we calling here the name is equal to Robin. Name value have a Robin, but it will be never change. Let me show you if I run again. So now you can see here the const, the first name which we already assigned the value of John. So it shows the John. And again we tell to the JavaScript name should have value Robin. So they give us an error. This is error. What is the error? Let type error assignment to constant variable. The JavaScript told you this is the constant variable. You cannot change the value of this variable. So I hope you guys understand of this concept of let and const. See you in the next video of arrow function, how we can use arrow function.